Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you Bosch GKF 550 professional pump router. High efficiency and good finishing due to high cutting speed of 550 watt input power. The machine is safe for one-hand operation due to its comfortable handling and soft grip. This product includes parallel guide, roller guide, template guide, 17mm spanner, 10mm spanner, and a straight bit. The no-load speed will be 33,000 RPM. Its compatible collet diameter will be 6mm and the weight is 1.4 kg. The size will be 90mm x 90mm x 188 nm.